Hello everyone and welcome to our brand new YouTube channel. My name is Moj Gupta and I am thrilled to be here with all of you today. In this channel, we will embark on a journey of problem solving, coding tutorial and much more. But before we dive into our exciting content, let me tell you why you subscribe to our channel will be a best decision you make. First and foremost, if you love solving coding challenges and wants to improve your problem solving skill, this channel is tailor made for you. We will talk on various LeetCode problems and provide detailed step-by-step solution. Whether you are a coding enthusiastic or a prepare for technical interview, we will find a valuable insights here. Coding can be intimidating, especially for beginners, but fear not, we will got you covered with our coding related videos from programming tips and tricks to comprehensive tutorial on a popular language like Python and C++ and more. You will find a guidance you need to become a professional coder. Our channel is not just about a content, it is about a building a vibrant learning community. By subscribing, you will become a part of incredible group of like-minded individuals, all passionate about coding and problem solving. Together, we will support and motivate each other to grow and achieve our coding goals. So, if you were excited about coding, if you want to unlock your potential, and if you were ready to be a part of fantastic learning community, hit that subscribe button right now and join us on this adventure. Don't forget to turn on notification bell icon so you never miss our latest upload. Thank you all for watching this first video on our channel. Your support means the world to us and we can't wait to get started. Let's make this journey together filled with knowledge, growth and lots of fun. Thank you.